Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want to video with all you guys inequalities. So guys, this is a very interesting topic and I know that you would understand it. So let's start today's video. Guys, if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe my channel. And please let's focus on the board. Okay, so guys, if a question is like this, 2x plus 5 is equals to minus 2x and minus 5. Guys, what would be its answer? 2x plus 2x is equals to minus 5 and minus 5. So 4x is equals to minus 10. X is equals to minus 10 upon 4. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. So 2 whole, like in my first video, I told you about that if there is an improper fraction, we would change it into a mixed fraction. So 2 whole, 1 upon 2. So guys, just think, just focus on it. Like if instead of this equals to, if there is a sign of greater or lesser, let's make it like this. The whole of the sum is same, but only this sign is replaced from the sign of equals to. And let's just move on there. So one more example. So let's give a question to you all guys. So let's think like question 5x plus 2 equals to minus 10x plus 5. So guys, what would be the answer of this question? So 5x plus 10x is equals to 5 minus 2. So 15x is equals to 3. X is equals to 3 upon 15. 3 1s are 3, 5 is 15. So x is equals to 1 upon 5. So guys, just pick it up. This is a column and write the whole question again. 5x plus 2. If there is a sign of this, so minus 10x plus 5 is the sign of this instead of equals to. Guys, we will copy the whole of the sum as the same. Guys, please don't hesitate. And just copy this. That 5x plus 10x and the sign of this sign like this, and 5 minus 2, 15x, 3, x is equal to 3 upon 15, 3 1 3, 5 to 15, x so greater than 1 upon 5. That's its answer. Let's take one more example. Let's take an example as 2 3x plus 5 and 5x plus 2. And so 2 3s are 6x plus plus 2 5s are 10. Sign of 5x plus 2. So 6x minus 5x is equals to 2 minus 10. So x is sign of this and minus 8. Guys, this is the answer of it. Guys, if you have a problem that if I solve this, so my answer, so I could not understand it. So guys, just make a column in between this and with a pencil write the whole sum with equal to sign. Like 2 3x plus 5 and 5x plus 2. 6, let's make this sign of equals to 6x plus 10 is equals to 5x plus 2. And then 6x minus 5x is equals to 2 minus 10. X is equals to minus 8. So guys, this instead of this equals to, keep the sign of this greater or smaller sign. Let's take a large example. The question is x plus 5 2x minus 10. You will solve like this: x minus 2x greater minus 10 minus 5. So minus x is equals to power minus 15. Guys, like I think in my integers of this video, I told you like when the both signs are same, we would cut these both sides. So it became a sign of a plus. The x is greater than 15. Okay, so let's take last example, an easy one. Start. 7x plus 5x 3x plus 5. Let's solve it step by step. 7x plus 5x power 6x plus 10. So, and 7x minus 6x 10 minus 5. So let's continue it over here. Continue. X 5 is the answer. But I think one more time. If you can't understand like this, when this is a greater or smaller sign, you can put an equals to in the between, and then rub all these equals to and write the sign of this. Just I want to tell you one more thing. Then when there is minus 15x, this sign, and 3, just remember one thing, keep it in your mind forever. Like when you transform minus 15 to the right hand side, so this sign of this greater or smaller will also be changed to like this: 3 upon minus 15, 3 1 3 5 minus 5, x power minus 5. Let's take like it is minus 49x and 7. This x minus 49 transferred, minus 49 is transferred to this side, and the sign is also changed. 7 upon 5 is 49, 7 7 7 1. So the answer is x is equals to 1 upon 7. 1 upon minus 1 upon 7, like this. Just remember for this for the whole of mind, forever in your life, as this is that topic and in your most career, that this would help you. Okay guys, so I hope that you would enjoy my video, and guys, if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, give a video a like, and please watch my whole video as it's a very interesting topic. So bye guys, stay home, stay safe.